Now I'm going to show you how to get access to hundreds of free website templates that are fully customizable using a plugin. A plugin works like an app for your website. They add new features, just like apps do on your phone. On the left-hand side, click Plugins. Then up top, click Add Plugin. Find the search bar over on the right and search for Starter Templates. When you see this one, click Install Now. Once it's done installing, click Activate. If this guide pops up for Astra, in the top right, click Exit Guided Setup. Go back to Plugins and find your Starter Templates plugin. Then, click Get Started. Here, you want to click Build with Templates. And now you need to select a page builder. If you don't see Elementor here as a page builder option, let me show you the quick and easy fix. If you don't see it, click back, then click Exit to Dashboard. On the left-hand side, hover over Settings and click General. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and you'll see a section labeled Starter Templates. If the option Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates is checked, uncheck it so that it looks like mine. Then click Save Changes. Now you can return to Plugins, find Starter Templates, and click Get Started once more. Then you can choose Build with Templates, and you should see Elementor here. Once you see it, click Elementor to continue. Starter Templates lets you build and edit pages using simple drag and drop tools. It gives you many ready-made designs to choose from, and we'll use one that's totally free.